Today is day 11 of the smoothie challenge and we are making a delicious coffee smoothie. I'm going for a really simple recipe here. Basically a banana, some ice and some soy milk. So let's start by putting in the ice. I would actually probably put even more ice than what I've got, but I've run out of ice, so that's all I've got. But if you have more and you like it icy, I would put a bit more. I'm going to put in a banana in there. The riper the banana, the better, because then it'll have, it'll just be sweeter and give it all the flavour. Our coffee bomb. So we get the bomb out of the packet, that would be great. There we go. So, crumble it in. You know the drill. I always want to eat this when I'm crumbling. I can smell the coffee, and I have got a coffee addiction. Let's face it, most of us have. Okay, and then we'll put in the milk. Put the lid on and do 60 seconds. Righty, well that's done. Let's pour it in. Now remember, this one's a really great one for the afternoon or morning, of course, but when you're doing a school pickup and the kids are running around and you just want that extra bit of energy, this is a good smoothie bomb to give you that.